Today I'm going to be showing you how to make twisted boutique bows, or JoJo bows, I've heard them called. I don't really know who JoJo is because I'm in my late 20s. So yeah, these are super cute, super easy, and super cheap to make. I don't know why they sell for so much. So if you want to learn how to make them, just keep watching. Crap. You're going to need some ribbon. These are 1.5 inch. This is 2 1/4. Scissors, thread, a lighter, and some alligator clips. Okay, so for this medium-sized bow, I use about 31 inches of ribbon. And first things first, we need to heat seal so we don't get any frays. I actually had to learn how to use a lighter recently. Okay, so the easiest way to get loops that are the same size is to put some creases in your ribbon. So the first crease you need to make is the tail, and give it about 2 inches. Pinch it so that it really makes a crease, and then come down and pinch that so it makes a crease. And then bring it up to this one. Pinch all that together, and then pinch the bottom. Now you should have some creases to tell you where to fold. You have your first crease here and your second crease here. So you're going to bring them together, but you want to fold it down like twist it down like that so you get a loop. That would be a sad loop. You want a perky loop. Now hold that in your hand. Find your next crease and bring it up over to go on top of that, and then twist it also. So now you have 2 loops. And if you look at them this way, they should be fairly, perfectly even. My suggestion is to keep doing this over and over until you get used to doing it and holding it. Because if they slip out of your hand, that's when they get saggy. So you have that. You have to fold up. So your next loop, you come down, find your next crease, and it's going to go under. So you have it, twist under, and then you want to tuck it behind this tail, but not all the way behind, just behind this tail. So crease, tucked under the tail. Okay, now you come down to your final crease, and it goes over. Lands right on top. So you should have this. I'll show you the back. Now we need to make the center fold. So you just push this to make one bump, and then I pinch it. Then you make another bump, pinch it. Make a third bump, pinch it all together. And then you can kind of play with it, make sure it looks even. Looks pretty good. Next, you'll need your needle and thread. To me, this is just the easiest, most secure way. So I put it through the bottom, and then use the table. Make sure you don't go through your thumb. Ta-da! Wrap it around the center. Pull it tight. Now you've pulled around the center. nice and tight. Turn it over, and we're going to tie it off. So you take your needle, you put it under these loops all the way through, and then you put it through this loop you've made. Pull it tight. Now you have a knot. How cute. I'm always surprised with how cute they turn out. Next we're going to do the center, but you have to decide what kind of center you want. In this one I just did a really skinny piece down the center. In this one I did a fatter one and kind of squished it. And in this one I did a knot. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark. So, I think I'd rather do a skinny one on this one again. No, I'll do a knot just for demonstration purposes. So ideally you would get a thinner ribbon so that you could just tie it and put it in the center, but I just find it annoying to have to buy that many ribbons. So I'm just gonna cut maybe 4 inches. Make sure to heat seal it. And then you're going to tie a knot, just a normal, simple knot. And then that'll go right over the center. But now we need hot glue. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you can go ahead and cut this off. Maybe do 2 knots. I'm going to attach the center knot now by putting some hot glue on the knot and putting it on the center. Then you're going to flip it over and hot glue the flaps down. Don't play me, hot glue. It's pretty much essential that you burn yourself. And there you go. Cute. Now you're going to want to put a clip on the back. Let's see. I put my clips that way because I'm right-handed. So super easy. I'm just going to glue it on. Some people cover theirs with ribbon. I just don't think it's worth it. It's not worth burning myself some more because it doesn't even show. If you were going to sell them, I suppose you might want to make them the most professional looking you could. So there you go. Do you want to make another one? We can make another one. We can make a bigger one with this. So to do the next one, this is, what is it again? 2 1/4 ribbon. I use about 36 inches for that. And I need to cut this one diagonally. And heat seal. same as last time. Fold them together. Ooh, they don't match up this time. Do your little claps. I would do about 3 inches probably on this bigger one. Fold it, pinch it, go down here, pinch that too. Still holding that. Bring them together. Keep pinching. And also pinch down here. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Open it up. And you got your creases again, so you know what to do. Take your first crease and bring it to your second crease and twist it down so it's very loopy. Take your second crease, bring it over. So it's also very loopy. Find your third, bring it, whip it under, and between that, behind the tail, tuck it. Find your last one and bring it on top. Okay, so you take your needle and thread, turn it around back, and do your knots. Hopefully your thread is long enough. I don't know if mine is. Just barely. Just gotta kind of fluff them out like the fortune teller things used to make. Now we have to make a center again. Oh, I like that. Now all that's left is to add the alligator clip. This is about 5 1/4. 5 to 5 1/4. If you like what you see, subscribe. What the hell? Today I'm going to show you